The US stock market has been trading quietly for 3 straight sessions, holding a few points below the highest levels of May and the year. On Tuesday, the market looked minor changes. No doubt the US CPI report for May, which is due tomorrow, will serve as a market catalyst. Yesterday, the Nasdaq closed with a 0.3% gain, the Dow Jones closed with a 0.1% downtick. The S&P 500 has been trading flat today at near 4,227, the closing price of yesterday. The index is expected to remain in the narrow range of 4,180 to 4,270 points. Meanwhile, the coronavirus pandemic is still playing havoc with the markets, exposing painful spots in the global economy. The US dollar halted its decline after a long losing streak. The market is focused on 2 crucial events on Thursday: the ECB policy decisions and inflation data from the United States. Investors are speculating whether consumer prices again surged in May, like in April, or whether inflation moderated its acceleration. So the US dollar is out of the limelight now. Today, its index is trading at about 90.00. It's likely to be trapped in the range of 89.50 to 90.50. The Canadian dollar has retreated from highs, though it still finds support from oil prices, which are trading at near one-year highs. Notably, the American Petroleum Institute reported that US oil inventories contracted another 2 million barrels last week, following a steep fall of 3.7 million barrels from a week ago. Perhaps the loonie has exhausted its bullish trend. This prediction will come true as soon as oil prices halt the rally. Today, the USD CAD pair is trading at near 1.2100. The pair is expected to halt in the corridor of 1.20 to 1.2150 in the near time. Yesterday, the told you that Bitcoin sank to $31,000 in light of the news from the United States. The Justice Department recovered some part of a ransom in Bitcoin paid by Colonial Pipeline to DXY, the cyber criminal hacking group. As expected, the digital token began its recovery, rising as high as $35,000. The bullish trend could be propped up by the news that the flagship cryptocurrency has been recognized as a legal tender for the first time at a government level. Such news came from El Salvador, thus it makes no sense to doubt bullish prospects of the crypto market. Experts say that the US stock market is ready to break through one-year highs. Everything will depend on the US inflation data, which is due on Thursday. And that's all for now. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you tomorrow.